Move your ass!
I found one of your statues.
Tiger. Ah, the tiger. Ever think about going back to the States, I mean?
Well, it didn't work the first time. Why would it again? And the past goes with you wherever you go.
So you will confront the past rather than run from it.
Damn straight.
I wonder, is the past something we can defeat? Or is it something we simply come to terms with? What would you like to learn? I run for the days when my students were merely bad. Your ancestors thought they like to disown strong like bear, not limp like noodle. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
From our resident DJs and special guests. Come on down to Club Bam Bam now. It's better than ever.
Elegance, style, legendary quality. From Europe's premier fashion designers, Salt House. Discover a world of silks, the purest cottons, and the finest leathers. Exquisitely incorporated into our unique designs. Salt House, the word in fashion.
知唔知個死字點寫啊？你死撚硬啊！救命啊！收翻啲，我食啊！打到你爆光！打死佢！我知。我都幫你搞錯咗啊！睇下你有冇命行出去。Hey man, you want to check?
Hey, wait! Can you help me out?
What do you need?
A ride, but in a second.
Okay.
Let's go!
What the hell?
That asshole was sleeping with my girlfriend.
You can't just punch a cop.
I know. You gotta have a getaway ready. I really appreciate it.
A little warning would be nice.
Oh, right. Okay.
You're gonna pull this shit, you gotta learn to drive. And think about dumping that girlfriend too, alright?
Well, she's not exactly my girlfriend. I really like her though. She's got a nice smile. Dresses real nice.
You're not even dating her?
Not yet, man. Gotta be optimistic though.
Son of a bitch. Is she with that guy?
You mean like right now?
Come on.
We're son on ye. Cops don't got anything on us.
Son of a bitch!
They're right behind us. What a getaway! Thanks, Wei. Next time I need to hit a cop, I know who to call.
A man who never eats pork buns is never a whole man.
I'll take some, thanks.
Good, Aya. You look like you could use a pork bun.
Uh-huh.
have a car in here?
Oh, allow me to treat you with something nice. Are you sure I can't tempt you?
See you again soon. Bye-bye.
Hey man, I'm stuck in traffic. I'll get there as soon as possible.
Don't worry, there's still time.
Don't start without me.
着你，愿你的背影我不够勇气。想着你。
喂，我個老友 ，I'm so happy you can make it.
Congratulations. Peggy, you look stunning.
Thanks, Wei.
You both must be very happy.
Yes.
The best day of your life. So they say. You know what? They're right.
If you say so.
Oh, Uncle Paul, welcome.
Congratulations.
My guest of honor.
I'm happy to be here. It's nice to see someone who wants to be a good family man. Not enough of that nowadays.
Hi.
You look absolutely lovely, my dear.
Thank you.
Almost as lovely as your mother-in-law. Oh, and Mrs. Chu, I expect the food to be...
Wait.
Fantastic.
I got a case of the chairman's favorite wine in my car. I forgot to bring it in. Do you mind grabbing in and making sure they know it's for him? I'm gonna make sure he gets inside, okay?
Yeah, sure thing, Winston. You gotta enjoy your day, okay? Where do you park?
Right through there. I'm going. Just bring it into the kitchen. Shit!
Fuck! Jack, you there?
Holy shit, did you see that? There's no way we're getting in through here.
I'll find a way inside.
I'll go get help.
Stay down, bitch!
哇，一定好痛喎！
喂，你睇住啦你。死啦！
Winston! Shit. Oh God. Peggy.
Wait. Get Peggy out of here. She doesn't deserve this.
Winston. Winston! Fuck. Oh, shit. Peggy.
The boys! I need them here now!
Uncle Po! Are you okay? Can you walk?
What's going on? What happened to Winston?
Okay, come on. We gotta get you out of here. Uncle Po! You're hurt.
It's nothing but a little scratch.
Like, sort of. We gotta get you to a hospital.
Hey, a wedding is a sacred thing. I'm all right. Don't worry. Be careful, man. I did this.
My uncle, he's hurt. We need a doctor, now!
What is this? What's going on here?
My boy, maybe you'll want to leave before our friends, the police, show up.
Are you gonna take care of my uncle? And if anything happens to him, I'm holding
Hello,
you
police?
personally responsible.
Oh, thank God.
Are we clear?
Okay, okay.
Where have you been?
Stuck in traffic. It's Hong Kong.
Fuck, Raymond. You think showing up for these things is easy for me?
I know you've been through a lot, Wei. More than we have any right to ask. Now the wedding.
It was a massacre, Raymond. A massacre. Winston was a red pole, sure, but his wife, they fucking gunned down his wife on her wedding day.
We knew you would become personally attached, Wei. It's inevitable in an operation like this. And seeing something like that would be hard. Hard for anyone.
It's war now.
No, it's not. You're a cop, all right? Your job is to enforce the law. You can't remember that? I'll pull you out right now.
Pull me out?
Your job was to get close to Winston. Now, that's not much of a strategy anymore.
Get close to... Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now. With him gone, I'll be taking his place. You want the chairman? I report to him now. You want the red poles? I'm one of them.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.
You want to give up the best undercover HKPD has ever had? Your best shot taking down the Sun On Yi? Exactly. We done?
Yeah, we're done.
Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay? Get Peggy out of here.
Winston!
She doesn't deserve this.
No!